Let's start with artificial lighting. Just click on the Create Render button on the toolbar, and with this dialog box, you can create a render of your 3D view. Just click Create button. As you can see, the low quality renders don't show any lights or proper shadows. If you are looking for more advanced lighting, you have to go a higher quality. Just click here on this slider, and in this section, you can find many different lighting settings. The most important of them is the Add Ceiling Lights option. First, double-click on your floor and make sure you have enabled ceiling in your room. Then click OK. Next, enable Add Ceiling Lights option and set the time to midnight to disable sunlight completely. Then click Create. Unfortunately, these automatically generated ceiling lights create a flat, unnatural lighting and make your render look washed out. Because of this, it's highly recommended to leave this Add Ceiling Lights box unchecked. If you create a new render, it will be completely dark. Let's move on and add some invisible light sources to your plan. Just go to the Furniture catalog and select Lights. In this list, you can find many different invisible light sources and lamps. The invisible light sources are marked with a light bulb icon. They are available in some basic colors including blue, green, yellow, white, and more. To add the light source to your plan, just drag and drop it with your mouse. Once it's done, just click Create. To achieve a better lighting, you have to adjust the position, the size, and the brightness of this light source. Just double-click it, and in this dialog box, you can adjust its size, elevation, and brightness. Just experiment with different settings. For ambient lighting, just move your light source behind the furniture, set its elevation to 0, and decrease its brightness. Then click Create. You can also use the color light sources for the same purpose. Besides these basic options, you can also import custom light sources into the software. For example, just download the Custom Light Shapes catalog from sweethome3d.com. You can find the link in the description. Once it's downloaded, just import it into the software as any furniture library. As a result, you can find many new light sources appear in the furniture catalog. One of the best models in this list is the invisible light panel. Just add it to your plan, just scale it to the size of the room, and place it right under the ceiling. Just make sure to delete the light source behind the sofa, and click Create a new render. The lighting panel creates a pretty great lighting. Since it's just right under the ceiling, it leaves the ceiling completely dark. So here's the trick to light your ceiling as well. Select the panel, make a copy of it, then double-click it, and in this Modify Furniture window, just change its horizontal rotation around the x-axis by 180 degrees. Then click OK. Now create a new render. If the ceiling looks too bright, just decrease its brightness in the dialog box. As the next step, select the light panels and move them away from the room. Don't delete them, as you will need them later. If you go back to the furniture catalog, besides invisible light sources, you can find many different lamps on the list. It's good to know that these objects already contain built-in light sources. To add the lamp to your plan, just drag and drop it with your mouse. Then double-click it, and in this dialog box, you can adjust its dimensions, textures, or even brightness. For example, decrease it to 10%, then click OK. Now create a new render. In most cases, Lamps alone don't provide enough light, so you will need to add some invisible light sources as well.